Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to export a routine from Studio 5000 Logix Designer. Here we have our routine open. It's just the main routine here. And the way we do this is we're going to right click and hit Export Routine. Now we can choose, I'm going to choose the Downloads folder and export. And now if we go to our Downloads folder, which should be here, here is our exported L5X file. And if we open this up, and you actually have the option to open it with Logix 5000, which I didn't know that, but you can also choose another app and open it with Notepad. And here is the XML version of the routine, ready to be imported in other Studio 5000 environments. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a good day.